So hi guys, welcome to another YouTube video, and today we're looking at a new laptop from Infinix. When I first reviewed an Infinix laptop, the main takeaway from that review was that there's no need to go buying a refurbished laptop if such laptops exist. And I feel like that's the same sort of mentality I'm going into this review with. Why go buy something refurbished? Why go buy something used secondhand if you can buy something brand new at this price point? So this is a thin and light notebook that comes at just around 60,000 Kenyan shillings. In this review, we're going to talk about everything I like about it, everything I don't like about it, if you should consider getting one, and all that. If you're interested in that, let's dive in. The InBook Air is very light, weighing just 1.2 kgs, making it perfect for students, professionals, or anyone who needs a portable work laptop. It actually fits most 13-inch laptop slips despite being a 14-inch machine. That's thanks to the ultra-slim bezels that make it a very compact 14-inch device. This is something that makes me look at my M1 MacBook Pro differently every time I switch back to it. The laptop has a clean and minimal aesthetic, and while it does take inspiration from other thin and light laptops, it still feels premium for its price point. The 14-inch LED backlit Full HD display is sharp, and the matte anti-glare finish makes it easy to work under bright lighting. However, under direct sunlight, it doesn't get bright enough, so don't expect the same brightness levels as your smartphone screen on this device. That being said, for indoor use, it's great. So who is this laptop exactly for? In every way, the InBook Air is a true notebook, meaning it's designed for word processing, PowerPoints, Excels, and PDFs, web browsing with multiple tabs open, watching videos, reading articles, and general media consumption. Light creative work like basic photo and video editing. If you're a developer, you'll get away with some basic coding, but anything more demanding and you'll start to push the laptop's limits. And for content creators, you can handle simple video edits like a quick TikTok or a YouTube video, but don't expect it to handle heavy projects or complex timelines. So if you have complex work, don't expect this to handle that. This is designed for things like CapCut and Wondershare Filmora. Under the hood, the InBook Air is powered by the Intel Core i5 13th Gen 1340p processor, which is clocked at 1.9 GHz. This processor has 4 performance cores and 8 efficiency cores. It totals 16 threads. According to netbookcheck.net, it performs similarly to an older Core i7 1250p processor, making it fairly powerful for a thin laptop. So you can go compare laptops that have the Intel Core i7 1250p and expect sort of the same performance if they had 8 gigs of RAM. You'll hear the fans kick in occasionally, especially when running demanding tasks or when the laptop is plugged in for some reason. For RAM and storage, you'll get 2 options, 8 gigs and 256 gigs of storage, which is this model I have here, the base model, but there's also a model with 16 gigs and 512 GB of storage if you're a more powerful user, or if you are demanding more tasks and more apps open at the same time, or if you just want to save more content in your SSD. The laptop comes with Windows 11 activated, so you don't have to pay for activation, which is something if you buy a refurb that comes with MS-DOS, or other laptops come with cracked version of Windows and all that. I see that in the market. This is not something to worry about with this laptop. The laptop is powered by a 57 watt-hour battery, and you get a 45 watt USB-C charger in the box. The power adapter supports power delivery PD, and you can use most USB-C chargers to charge this laptop, whether it's a smartphone charger, another laptop charger that's USB-C, it will charge this laptop very well. I've been getting between 4 and 6 hours of battery life depending on what I'm doing, and that is sort of the battery experience you should expect. The backlit keyboard has 2 brightness levels, making it great for working in low light conditions. Okay, so if you're typing in the dark, if you're traveling, the backlit keyboard is really important. However, the precision trackpad isn't the best, so the trackpad is something that I feel like if you've used a MacBook or if you've used better trackpads on Windows devices, this won't feel really good. It can feel at least frustrating for the first few weeks you're using the device. It's overly sensitive, and clicking only happens smoothly at the bottom part of the trackpad, leaving the top part of the trackpad unusable. In terms of ports, you get 2 USB-A ports on one side with a microphone headphone combo jack, and on the other side you get 2 USB-C ports and a full HDMI port. The other laptop from Infinix that we reviewed had a micro SD card slot. This one doesn't. So the webcam is a 720p HD webcam. That's not exciting in any way. The photo quality, the video quality is not exciting at all. It's the usual webcam you see in many laptops. But Infinix have done the same thing they did with the other laptop we reviewed, which is include 2 LED flashlights on the front of the camera. So if you are doing a video call in a dim room or anywhere, you just press the function and the space key and the LEDs come on. So the LEDs this time I feel are brighter, so your face will be well lit if you're doing a video call or a Zoom, and that's something I feel is really good, especially for laptops at this price point. Instead of doing so much software processing to make the video footage good, just increase the lighting, because most of the time video is just lighting. Another thing that's new with this laptop is the Infinix ecosystem. In the previous review I said that the Windows experience was really clean, and I have no problem with a very clean software experience, but I felt like most laptop manufacturers have certain apps that are included for driver support, health of the PC, for ecosystem integration, and Infinix is doing that this time round. So on the Infinix InBook Air, you'll find 2 apps, one for drivers and health support of the laptop, so you can check updates, firmware updates and all that, and the other for Infinix ecosystem integration, where you can mirror your phone, connect to your Infinix phone, get notifications there, use your phone from the laptop and all that, which is really good. I think that's a step in the right direction into an integrated and well done ecosystem where you can switch between different devices and get the same workflow continuing. I find that the apps that Infinix has included this time are very necessary, though I feel like they need to work on the UI and the layout of the apps to make it feel and look good. Okay, so here are the things I love about the InBook Air. The affordable pricing, the good port selection, the fast SSD speeds, the decent battery life, the super thin and lightweight nature of the laptop, the matte anti-glare display with the ultra thin bezels that make other laptops I'm using, especially the M1 MacBook Pro, feel really dated, the good typing experience, and the ecosystem integration that Infinix is finally building together. Here's what could be better though. Not everything is perfect. So for example, the trackpad sensitivity is really annoying. I feel like Infinix can do better there. It could be a driver update, it could be a firmware update, I don't know. But yeah, that needs checking. Secondly, the power button placement. I complained about this the other time and I feel like it's still the same issue. You're going to hit backspace or going to hit delete and you accidentally hit the power button, forcing you to go into sleep mode. So, should you buy the Infinix InBook Air laptop? Yes, you should if you're looking for just what I've said this laptop can do. If you're looking for a better experience, there are many other laptops to choose. If you need a thin, lightweight, budget-friendly notebook, this is a solid choice. Instead of buying an old refurbished laptop, you get a brand new device with decent performance. And Infinix has local service centers. So customer support is better than what you'd get with most budget refurbished laptops that people are buying in the market. That's it for this review. Tell me what you think about the InBook Air. Tell me what concerns you might have, what if you have used an Infinix laptop you find them to be, and if you're considering an Infinix laptop, what are some of the fears you have about using these laptops? Tell me down in the comment sections below, and you can consider subscribing.